Well, good morning. I'm Jeremy Dyson. Welcome to Trophy Rides, where we hear the stories behind the rides. And boy, do I have a story for you today. Wait till you hear the story behind this truck. You won't believe it.
Yeah, this is Emergency West. It's the world's only twin-engine wheelstander. It's built in 1985 by Richard Schroeder, and I was hired to drive it in 1990, or 91, I guess, and drove it on the NHRA circuit through 2001.
I think I've seen pictures of this in a magazine.
You absolutely have. Back in the 90s, it was the vehicle. It was on the cover of Popular Hot Rodding and Carcraft and all the big magazines all the time. This configuration, when Richard died in 07, his son Chris decided to update the truck, and he was going to go campaign it. And they had some issues. And anyway, by the time 2015 come around, the truck wouldn't wheelie, and it had the new body on it. And there was a lot of frustration, a lot of bad things going on. Chris died in 17. The race company that was working on it decided they'd take it over, and they couldn't make it work. And it went into storage. They pulled the motors. The motors was two 510 top alcohol motors at that time. Pulled them off, sold them, sold the transmissions out of it, put it in storage, and then didn't pay storage on it. So in late 22, I get a phone call from a storage company and tow company. It says, we know the backstory on the truck, how it got away from the family, and we'd like to get it back to them. I said, that would be awesome. They'd love to have it back. What do we got to do? I said, come get it. I said, really? They said, come get it.
Wow.
So I called Gina, Richard's widow, and I told her, I said, here's the deal. I just got told we can have EW. And I said, I'll bring it back to LA, which is where she lives at, or I'll tie it down at my house till you decide what you want to do with it. Whatever you need, I'll help. And after she got done crying, she said, well, here's the deal. Before Chris had decided to take it and rebody it, her and Richard had decided to give me the entire racing operation turnkey. And they just hadn't done it.
Wow.
And then Richard died, and it just didn't happen. And she said, it's your truck, you go get it.
Wow.
So that's how I ended up with it back. So my pocket's nowhere near deep enough to afford it. So I put it back with what I could put it back with. So it's got gasoline powered 496s in it. And we really didn't even expect at that point we'd ever get it to wheelie again. The professional company couldn't get it to happen. And when I got it home, I was familiar enough with it. I knew its ins and outs, and I got playing with it. And next thing I know, I got it to bounce the nose about 4 foot off the ground. And it's like, oh,
it will do it.
It will do it. We're close. So we worked on it for another 2 or 3 months and give it everything we could give it. And next thing you know, it'll pull 6 foot wheelies.
Good Lord of mercy.
And this winter, I went and changed gears in the rear end of it. And this morning we was down here and we rode a wheelie from the front of that 18-wheeler clear up to here.
Oh, wow.
And could have went farther, it just didn't have enough shutdown room.
I hate that I missed that.
Yeah. We think right now we can probably get a good 1/8 of a mile out of it on the tailgate with 2,000 horse less than it had before. So we're pretty tickled with that.
Oh, I imagine.
Yeah, the engineering in this is just plumb crazy.
I can imagine.
If you notice that center header, that's a 2-piece header, and 8 tubes run up into that. And I told him when I got the truck, it had to have the center exhaust stack and it had to have the gearbox in it, or there's no way I could do anything with it. And fortunately, we found those.
I've never seen that like that before.
No, that's the only one.
Oh, that's the reason.
That's why you never seen it before. Yeah.
Well, that's
Yeah,
cool.
this is the only one.
If you have a classic car or unique ride you'd like to see featured here, let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and tell your friends.
Got a rock and roll soul.